So today we will be discussing a illustration on material cost only, material cost topic from material cost topic. So let us read the illustration first. Material A is used as follows. Minimum usage is given. 500 units are minimum required in a week. Maximum usage can go up to 1500 units per week. Normal usage is 1000 units per week. Reorder quantity is 5000 units. Reorder quantity they have given. Lead time, that is the delivery period, is 4 to 6 weeks. So minimum you can get the order in 4 weeks, or maximum it can take up to 6 weeks also. Okay. So these are the details given, and what is asked in the question C, calculate the inventory levels. Okay, in this they have told calculate the inventory level. So what are the inventory level? First will be the reorder level we have to calculate. Then maximum level. Then minimum level we will have to calculate. Average level. So these are basic inventory levels which you will have to calculate. One EOQ is the economic order quantity, but that they have already given. See, reorder quantity they have calculated and given, so no need of calculating that. Okay, we understood. No, economic order quantity and reorder quantity are same part only. That is how much you should place an order. That is already given in the question. So no need of calculating EOQ in this question. So other levels we will calculate: reorder level, maximum level, minimum level, and average level. And all the thing formulas we have already done. We have done already illustration on these inventory levels. So now you should know the formula for calculating how to calculate reorder level. What is the formula and apply it. So let us begin how to calculate. What all level we have to calculate? See, reorder level, minimum level, maximum level. Then average level also. So we can calculate. So how we will calculate? Let us understand that. So first, what we will calculate? Reorder level. So give the heading as calculation of inventory levels. Totally formula this, so you should have a understanding of formula. What will be the formula? So first we will calculate what? Reorder level. Reorder level. What is the formula for reorder level? We have already done. Reorder level formula is, so you should know if reorder level what should be the formula. Then only you can solve the question. Otherwise, it will not be possible. Reorder level. Yes, check the previous questions. If you don't know the formula, you can refer the previous question. No? In that you might have written what is the reorder level formula. What is the formula for reorder level? Reorder level formula is maximum usage into maximum lead time. See, maximum usage into maximum lead time. Now we know the formula. Now we can get the details from the question. What is the maximum usage? See, maximum usage is given 1500 units per week, and maximum lead time is 6 weeks. Delivery period and lead time are same only. So maximum lead time is 6 weeks, maximum usage is 1500. Now you are having both the data. So now you can easily solve 1500 units per week into maximum lead time is 6 weeks. So reorder level will be 1500 into 6. So reorder level will be 9000 units. Clear? Reorder level will be 9000 units. Next, what we can calculate? Maximum lead time or minimum lead time? We can calculate minimum level. What is the formula for minimum level? Minimum level formula is C, reorder level minus normal usage into average period. Minimum level formula is minimum level formula is reorder level minus normal usage into average lead time. So reorder level we have already calculated. See, 9000 units. Normal usage is given in the question. See, normal usage is given in the question 1000 units, and average lead time you can find out. No? Minimum lead time you are having, maximum lead time you are having. So average lead time will be, you can easily calculate. No, average lead time will be 4 plus 6 divided by 2. So average will be 5 weeks. Okay. So we will make a working note also how to calculate the average lead time. Working note. Average lead time. Average lead time formula is maximum lead time, or you can say minimum lead time plus maximum lead time divided by 2. So minimum lead time is 4 weeks, maximum lead time is 6 weeks, divided by 2. So it will be 5 weeks. So reorder level we are having, say, 9000 units. 9000 units minus normal usage is given in the question. Normal usage is 1000 units. Normal usage is 1000 units. Normal usage is 1000 units into average lead time is 5 weeks. We have calculated now 5 weeks. So now you can calculate how you will solve. First you solve this bracket, then reduce it from 9000. So you will get 9000 units minus 5,000 units. So your minimum level should be 4,000 units. So minimum you should maintain in your business, always you should keep 4,000 units minimum. Okay. So minimum level we have calculated. Now we can calculate the maximum level. What is the formula for maximum level? Let us check. Maximum level formula is, so those who have learned the formula, for them this will be very simple. Maximum level formula is C, reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum usage into minimum lead time. So all the things are there with us. Reorder level is 9,000 units plus reorder quantity given in the question only, instead of calculating also. Reorder quantity is 5,000 weeks. Reorder quantity is 5,000 weeks. Sorry, 5,000 units. Reorder quantity minus minimum usage given in the question. Minimum usage is 500 units per week. Minimum usage is 500 units per week. And minimum lead time is 4 weeks. All the things are there in the question only. Now how you can solve? First you solve the bracket. First you solve the bracket, 9,000 units plus 5,000 units minus 500 into 4 will be 2,000 units. So now you can solve this. Now 9,000 plus 5,000 minus 2,000. 9,000 plus 5,000 minus 2,000. So it will be, maximum level you should keep in a business should be 12,000 units. Not more than that. Not more than 12,000 units. Yes, correct. So all the levels we have calculated. See, reorder level, that is when you should place the order. So once you will make the in stock account, no? So once you come to know that now you are having only now 9,000 units, you should place the next order. Okay. And you should keep minimum 4,000 units at any time in your business. It should not fall below 4,000 units. And you should not keep more than 12,000 units of stock in your business. One more we can find out, which is the average level, which will be the average of the maximum and minimum level. So minimum level plus maximum level divided by 2. Average, you know how to calculate. So minimum level is 4,000 units. 4,000 units. Maximum is 12,000 units. Divided by 2. It should be how much? 4 plus 12, 16 divided by 2. It should be 8,000 units will be your average. So over a period of time, your average stock in the business will be 8,000 units. On an average, you will keep 8,000 units. Okay. So reorder level, when you should place the order. Reorder quantity, how much you should place the order. Okay. So once your stock becomes 9,000, you will place order for 5,000 units because that is the reorder quantity. Okay, so don't get confused. Reorder level means when you should place the order. Reorder quantity means how much you should place the order. Clear? So all the levels we have calculated here, important levels, reorder level, minimum level, maximum level, and average level. See, reorder level, minimum level, maximum level, and average level. Clear? Today we will stop at this illustration. In the next class, we will continue with further discussion on topic.